What's up, YouTube? Y'all about to watch me transform this boy life. Taking my one guard on my end. This master about to knock down all this extra weight that's been growing on his sides. Lately, I've been using a blow dry. I just get most of the hair off and get it off the client, off the cape, out their hair. It's just better than the neck duster to me. Right here, I'm taking my Slimline Pro Lot trimmers and about to cut the sideburns off. Of course, I asked the client first, and then I'm about to set in the ball guideline around the head. And then on the other side, I'm about to switch to the Gold FX line to just hit the guideline in. Switching to my wall singers. This just to remove all that bulk and then come back with the liners again to get it as bald as possible. Right here, I'm taking my Andes Masters, going up about a whole inch around the head. And with his hair pattern, his hair doesn't grow the same in every spot on his head, so you gotta get it against the grain so everything can lay down even and smooth. But that's with any head though. Right here, I got my one guard open on my Andes Masters. And I'm just about to make sure that the blade is eating the hair. I'm not about to do an exaggerated flick. I'm just making sure that all the hairs are laid down even.
BG carry one.
Y'all see me switching my level to close. About to use the corner of my blade and just take out that bottom line or soften it up.
BG carry one.
Now I'm coming back with the grain with the level already closed and just knocking down that excess bulk, trying to make sure everything blend in right. Now I got my 1 1/2 guard on my wall seniors, just making sure that all the hair is blend in into his fade. Switching to my Andes Masters, and you about to see me do a whole lot of level play. Just seeing spots that I can hit open, halfway, and close at the same time. Now I'm taking my wall singers all the way open, just attacking the bottom line, just flicking. And then I'm gonna go halfway and then close to get my ball line out. Right here I'm just taking my trimmer, just balding it out a little bit more, making sure my ball transition pop, just doing detail work. So the same rules apply, so I'm just about to speed the jump up and let y'all watch.
BG carry one. BG carry one. BG carry one.
Now I'm about to prep the line up. What I do is I take my wall seams and open them all the way up. I don't cut them on, but I just use it like a comb and I just pull the hairs down. You just pull all the baby hairs down, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm taking my one guard close on my wall seams, just taking out all that weight. And then you see he got light spots in his corners. So taking it down close, kind of even it out, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to use my hairspray just to lock the hair in place. Y'all can watch me tap and go and keep everything in his corners real low. If you don't want to take them up and give them a U shape, want to keep it as straight as possible. To enhance his line with some hair fibers, you know what I'm saying? Have him licking his lips after he get the chop.
BG carry money.
Like I said, we're just gonna keep his corners alive. As you can see, if you just line it up as if the hair was thick, it really don't look that bad. So just take care of your clients and keep everything natural.
BG carry money. BG carry money.
Y'all see my boy licking his lips, y'all know the business. This was the first time client before he came in the chair.
BG carry
And this
money.
my first time client after he got out the chair. Got my boy right.